Hey, y'all ever seen one of these? How y'all doing? Listen, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm in a quest to reduce my footprint of, you know, how much stuff I'm taking with me in the truck, camping, overlanding. If you go on a long trip, you can't really lug all this huge stuff. Now, I mean, locally and in the old days, I got 14-inch stoves, I got pizza ovens coming with me, I got a 21-inch wok I'm stir frying in, all kinds of stuff like that. But realistically, I can't load and unload that and keep it in the truck and everything. And if you're going on a long trip, something like that. So in an effort to be matchy like, you know, I like to, I mean, my Gladiator, my mountain bike, hell, my vape, you know, I go straight for the little orange one. And it's a Jetboil. Well, if you've ever looked into the prices on those things, it's like $279 and then like $400 if you want a pot set to go with it. And I mean, that's just too much. You know, I mean, if that thing was $179, I might even be able to consider it. I don't know how good the thing can be to be that incredibly expensive. But in order not to have to completely drain my wallet, I took a look around. So years ago, we went to Epicenter Music Festival. We hadn't really done a lot of camping festivals, things like that. So we went and bought a little camping stove that we could use. And it was a Coleman Fold and Go. It was the kind with only one burner that had just a little flat top exchanged with a little, like a grill plate that I think, like most of these little grill plates that come with these things, it sucked. But the flat top version was great, man. We banged out all kinds of grilled cheeses and, you know, burgers and whatever you can name in that. So as I'm looking around, I come across a Coleman Fold and Go. But this one, if I can figure out how to open it, is going to be 2 burners, right? Coleman, respectable product. How much better can that Jetboil be than this? Well, let me tell you a story. I paid $39 for this. Now, regular price that I've seen is $79. Walmart online, I will throw a link in the description, had this unit for $39 up until the last time I looked before shooting this video. These are 8,000 BTUs a piece. So it's still probably a real good boil. Hinge right in the center, closes, opens real nice. These little rings pop in and out. Pinch them, they pop. Couple of burner knobs on this side. Okay, and then the gas regulator hooks up right here in the back. My only pet peeve with this thing. Turn it on. No detent. So anytime you're adjusting it now, if you want to adjust it down to a low whisper, there's a point where you might turn it off. It is my complaint with this Coleman. But $39 versus $300, I don't know how that other thing can be that much better. So folds up real easy, closes, mad light. It's really compact. It doesn't need a bag or anything like that to put it in. Super light. Good unit. But while still in the rabbit hole, I came across these ones where you could really only get one brand in America at the time. They were selling a couple of these in Europe. So I picked up this little bad boy right here. This is called a Winkoza. Nature Hike and Baker Stone are all actually making one very similar to this. I think one of them actually even makes a single burner. They're all kind of in that same price nowadays. They're like $99 to $129. I think regular price is like $179, which is still $100 less than the Jetboil. Again, again, my pet peeve, there's no detents on these things. So it's going to be one of those deals where if you're going down low, you might turn it off. You know what I mean? So, but yet again, another little compact unit, little handle. It's got all the numbers you'd want, regular BTUs, how big the valve is, that kind of thing on the back. It's all one little piece. Open this little clip. Opens right up. Has these little burners and has these little burner holders inside. You flip them upside down in there. Once you open it back up, flip them right side up. Sits a little height. This one sits low. Flip that one over. And so, as kind of a little bonus with this one, you get this little griddle. And this little griddle sits right on top of there perfectly. Sits right up there, leaves you a little gap underneath that. I paid $129 for this one. They're on Amazon. They're like $179, but they always have like a $50 coupon, or there's a different brand right now that's, you know, like $169 with a $20 coupon, that sort of thing. So they're still considerably cheaper. I'm going to jump up and I'm going to put these next to some of my other camp stoves and just point the camera at these a little closer and let you take a look at some of the craftsmanship. I mean, these are cast iron, so those are plenty sturdy. They just lay right on the top of there. This is a very sizable grill, so it's nice and thick. Everything is real well made about it. Everything's tight. Hinges look real good. Inside of here, they've got a braided cable for the gas line, and then they've got a rubberized cable over the top of it for protection. Little starters, no problem. So in order to close it down, you flip this one over. Then I just move this one straight up and down over to this way. It's a lot easier than trying to get it to close real fast together. The top flips, which you should be able to buckle the side. Boom, you're ready to go again. Only thing is, this little burner piece does not fit inside of it. And you know, if you decided you were just gonna bring a little frying pan instead of this little griddle piece anyways, then you'd be ready to go. All right, so I'm going to take a look at these next to, you know, popular camp stoves, something quite a bit bigger, of course, just for a little size comparison. All right, so you can see this Coleman even next to this Rainier. Those are nice burners. You can get really big things on side of those. And then side by side with that Winkiza, she's going to be a lot smaller, but extremely compact. This Blackstone behind it's considerably huge. It is a beast. If you've seen anything you like on my build, on this table today, on my Gladiator, or anything, please check out my affiliate links below. It really helps the channel. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy.